big deal, no doubt of it. It's a breakthrough, big deal, and big achievement. Because all these years, that land where the agreement was signed long time back between the aim of Himalayan and the municipal board, it was only a stretch of it. But after a series of meetings we have with the Himalayan, with this aim of Himalayan, ultimately he has taken this issue to the executive committee of the Darbar as well as to his Darbar, and ultimately with our request from the government side, we told them why not to hand over to the government this entire area, entire plot. So ultimately, thank God, they accepted that proposal and then they handed over and we have taken possession of this plot of land.
But he has alleged that the government has not followed.
Ask Mapala to, in case if he don't understand much about the land acquisition and the lease agreement, so ask him to meet me. I will explain to him nicely.
It was a tripartite agreement, no?
It is. That's what, tripartite agreement. There is no question of outright purchase or outright sales. This is the agreement. The agreement is what? On lease basis. That is the point. That's what I'm telling you. If Mapala does not understand, I'm ready to explain to him all the details, because he is right. Such a biggest deal, such a wonderful deal, and such a biggest achievement done by the government. And the credit goes to the aim of Himalayan, who has such a big heart to ultimately agree for lease agreement between the aim of Himalayan and the municipal board, as well as with the urban affairs department.
But for striking a deal to construct shopping malls and...
Or that I am not aware, because right now, I think from urban affairs department, they have to engage the expert for preparing the DPR, the designing everything. So I think they must have already engaged, or if not, they must have already floated the EOI, the best designer, the best architect to design that particular place, which was already handed over to the government for redeveloping, for converting into a proper commercial complex, as well as not only commercial complex, as well as the hawkers section where we can accommodate them over there.